Good morning to all. I am Subramaniam from Automobile Department at SNSCT College of Technology. In this lecture series, we are going to see about the global positioning system and geographic information system on the vehicles. So earlier we used for navigation purpose to locate our places by maps and drawings only. But nowadays we are going to a new form of the introduction purpose, that is global positioning system and geographic information system. First we see about the global positioning system. What is the global positioning system? Across the global we can able to navigate it with the help of the satellite, use of satellites, which gives the where we have some locations and what is the velocity of our vehicles, and also can able to synchronize it. It also uses the mainly the satellites, receiver and algorithms are used to synchronize the locations, velocity and time data also. So mainly you can see here the elements of the GPSs, space segment and ground control and user equipment. The space segment is whichever places we have to see it. We have to locate it. Here is our person, user component, and we will be giving the information which will be collected by the satellite, satellites, and it will be going to the position of it, control component, and from there it goes to the satellite or the space component. Here the imaging is satellite or mainly of the tower itself, and from there we can able to receive information also. So this is in any distance we can able to capture it. So these are the elements of the typical pictures given to you. That is, the control segment will be always the ground level itself, whereas whichever flight is traveling or whatever the missiles or whatever the space signals has been traveling, we can able to monitor it and can able to get it from the ground information itself. And these are the use of the global position systems. That is, location, we can determine the position by locations and navigation from how to reach the place from one location to the other locations, or also can track it. Whichever objects can be able to move, and also our person movement also, and get the map also, the route for the place to be reached in time, or else in specifically to some places and reach that. And also it gives information on the timings also. And now we see about what are the advantages of GPS satellites. In place itself, where you are thinking, you can able to use the commercial itself, the navigation system, where can able to reach the place, and which vehicles what vehicles are traveling it the vehicles are traveling it, can able to inform. It will be informed as at what time can able to reach it, and what is the distance between the reaching place and the destination place and the location of our place also. These are advantages from the GPS satellite itself, and there are main disadvantages of the satellite. Whatever the advantages are, there will be some disadvantages. So it does not inform whether the location places are underwater or indoors or under trees itself. It will be locating the place only on the satellites and GPS, and also the very high accuracy can be able to inform it according to the GPS itself. So this does not work on the some areas of urban environment also. So in the automobiles, you can see in the dashboard also you can locate the GPS itself. So it will be giving these situations our location and the destination point where to reach it. At total hours, it says 4 minutes can be able to reach it there. In whichever mode we are traveling, it can inform it there. So in this advance, you can go for the geographic information system, which gives that whether the place of the geographical condition of the earth itself, whether it's a hill or mountain or the building spaces or any industrial places of that. And also this system, how it's work is why we are going for GIS means GPS and combined of GIS. GIS will contain the location data and also gives the relationship of the geographic content of the earth itself and globes also. So what is components used in GIS are hardware, software, data, people and methods itself. Hardware you already knows as cameras and mobile cell phones and things. Software which is already using it, you are able to see it that. Data, the previously collected data from the GPS. And also people who are using the using the GIS, and methods will be giving you whatever the information is necessary for us. So these applications are mainly used in the urban applications, environment monitoring and emergency response welfare. And the use of GIS is similar to GPS only, but here it will be giving you the pattern, trends, and also relations between the user and the location, and also it gives the climate changes, what is the raining means, what is the raining, and what are the natural disasters are going to happen also. So, and we can see the difference between GPS and GIS is GPS determines the location only, but GIS gives you in managing information and analyzes spatial data also. Whereas GPS gives you data source belonging to the from the satellites, whereas GPS will be giving you the data manager maps and images only, and also navigation purposes. With this, we'll come to the end of this session, and we will see in the next session. Thank you.